Hello guys, and welcome back to Tools and Gadgets. Today we will be putting ChatGPT head-to-head with Google Bard. Let's see who will come up with a better answer and response to this intermediate questions. Round 1. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? Come on Bard, give ChatGPT a chance. In this round, I like Google Bard's answer as it has something to do with humanity and not just for personal gain. So this round goes to Google Bard. Round 2. If you were stranded on a deserted island, what 3 items would you bring with you and why? Okay, so in this round, both of them have similar answers except for ChatGPT that indicates water purifier, which is very important if you are stranded in an island with no clean water to drink. So this round I gotta give it to ChatGPT. Round 3. If you could travel back in time, where and when would you go and why? So in this round, both of them highlighted the time in which their answers have great impact to society. So for this round, we have a tie. Round 4. If you were a character in a video game, what would your special abilities be? I think ChatGPT has more sense than Google Bard in this round. What you guys think? So for this round, I gotta give it to ChatGPT. Round 5. If you could be any fictional character, who would you be and why? In this round, we could see that both of them choose a character in Harry Potter, but Google Bard further explained what characteristics it liked about the said character. So in this round, I give it to Google Bard. Round 6. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? In this round, I liked Google Bard's answer more as it explained further his chosen historical figure rather than ChatGPT just giving out names and little explanation as to why. So in this round, I give it to Google Bard. Round 7. If you could have any job in the world, what would it be and why? This round definitely goes to Google Bard as ChatGPT has no idea on what it is talking about. ChatGPT, can you still keep up? Then answer more sensibly next time, alright? This round goes to Google Bard. Round 8. If you could live in any fictional world, which one would you choose and why? In this round, ChatGPT just threw in different fictional worlds as to compare with Google Bard that gave a deep insights and understanding in why it chooses its fictional world. So this round I give it to Google. Round 9. If you could switch lives with anyone for a day, who would it be and why? In this round, Google Bard was direct with its answer of being a doctor, not compared to ChatGPT that just threw in some random answer. So in this round, I give it to Google Bard. Shame on you ChatGPT, he, just kidding. Round 10. If you could invent any new technology, what would it be and how would it change the world? In this round, ChatGPT is talking about a fusion reactor as to compare with Google Bard's renewable energy. So it really depends on what sector will dominate the clean energy space, but for me, I give it a tie as they explained it really well. Bonus round. If you could change the world, what would it be, and how will you execute it? Both have great answers, but I prefer ChatGPT's response more. So that's it for today. Google Bard is the winner. And keep in mind that Google Bard is in its very early stage as to compare with ChatGPT's years of advancement. Once again, subscribe for more interesting videos. It's free, don't worry, hahaha, JK, just kidding. But seriously, please do subscribe so that I can still keep my job.